Hello everybody, this is PJ WebDev, and in this video I want to show you how you can update your WordPress website from Airtable using no-code and automation tools. So instead of logging into your WordPress website admin panel, finding the page or finding the relevant information you want to update, you can just do it from Airtable. Airtable is like a spreadsheet, like Google Sheets, but much more powerful. This is basically like a database in the cloud that looks like a spreadsheet. So here we have our WordPress website, and this is the About page, and this is the Contact page, and we're going to be updating this content from Airtable. So in Airtable, here we have the content of the About page and the Contact page. And if we want to change something, so let's say I will add some text here, and in order to update it on the website I need to go to Integromat, and Integromat is like an automation tool that moves data between different applications in the cloud. So in this instance, between Airtable, where we have our content, and our WordPress website, and at the end it will also send us an email when the update is completed. If this was a production environment, I would just toggle this switch. This means that this action will be performed at regular intervals, in this case every 5 minutes. But because this is just a demo, I will run this scenario manually. Let's also change something on the contact page. So let's remove "please contact me." And if I run the Integromat scenario now, and I will go to a page, as you can see we have more content here, and we also don't have this information in the contact page. So this is how we can manage different pages on our WordPress website. But we can also do a little bit more advanced things. So for example, let's say we have different products and want to manage different products using Airtable on our website. So here is our product page. There's nothing here at the moment. In order to update the content of these products on our website, we need to run another Integromat scenario. Here it is. It looks a little bit more complex, but this is because it also has like an image that needs to be uploaded to WordPress, which are these modules are doing, and then we can either have new record created or just update on the website. I won't go into any technical details, but more technical video will follow soon on my YouTube channel if you are interested. So let's run this scenario now, and let's go to our website, and the page is empty. But if we refresh it, as you can see, we have all these 3 products updated currently on the website. We can go into detail, so this is like a list, but we can also go into read more and read more about products. And if you want to update any of this, so let's say I want to update product 2, and it has description for product 2. Product 2 is here, so I can again open this panel and run again this scenario and refresh the page. Here you have it. What I can also do, I can add entirely new product here. So here it is, our new product, and if I run the Integromat scenario now, and and go to products. Here it is, our product 4. So this is how it works, how you can integrate Airtable, Integromat and WordPress site. This is obviously just an example. You can create much more powerful scenarios and basically update your entire website, any content you would like from the spreadsheet here, without having to log on to the backend of your WordPress site, which in many situations is much more convenient for the user. Okay, that is it. If you are interested in more technical video, how this is all created using these tools, I will post it in some time soon on my YouTube channel. For now, thank you very much for watching and see you again soon. Bye bye.